Dear students, welcome back. Read CG YouTube tutorial classes. In this video, we learn NCERT textbook, class 10, subject science, state syllabus. In this video, chapter 12, electricity. So here, in this video, we learn switch. ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ಇಂದಿನ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು NCERT ಪಠ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ವಿಷಯ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ 12 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಸಿಟಿ ಈ ಪಾಠದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಇವತ್ತು ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಎಂದರೇನು ಇದರ ವಿಷಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ತಿಳಿದುಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಸೊ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ಡು ಯು ಮೀನ್ a switch? What do you mean a switch? So here, switch. A switch makes a conducting link between the cell and the bulb. I repeat, definition of a switch. A switch makes a conducting link between the cell and the bulb. So here, symbol of a switch. Symbol of a switch. Switch closed. Switch on. Here, switch open. Switch off. So dear students, symbol of a switch. Okay, symbol of a switch. So here this is a symbol of a switch, as switch closed or switch on. Now see here, open. So this is switch open, switch off. So in a circuit, see, plus minus potential difference, a cell or a battery, combination of cells or a battery. Here, an electric lamp, an electric bulb. Here, symbol of an electric lamp or bulb. This is symbol of cell or battery. So this symbol of switch. Okay. See here, purpose of a switch. Purpose of a switch. Symbol of a switch. Switch closed, switch on, open here, switch open, switch off. So here a switch makes a conducting link between the cell and the bulb. So here now it is completely open. Now it is open. Open. When you close, close, instantly an electric current that is conventional current flow from positive terminal towards negative terminal through an electric lamp or bulb. So an electric lamp bulb will glow when switch is closed. I repeat, when switch is closed, a conventional current instantly flow from positive terminal towards negative terminal. An electric lamp bulb will glow. So this is a purpose of a switch, makes a conducting link between the cell and the bulb. Now see here, dear students, plus minus a cell or a battery. Now switch is closed, we can say as switch on. Now a conventional current is flowing from a positive terminal to negative terminal, passing through an electric lamp or bulb. So it is a completely closed path when switch is closed. So an electric lamp or bulb will glow. Now it is a figure of closed path electric circuit. Closed path electric circuit. Now see here, switch open, switch off. Now see here, position of a switch is in a open condition. I repeat, slightly observe carefully. Position of a switch is in a open condition, hence an electric current or a conventional current do not flow in a circuit. I repeat, if you observe a switch in an open condition, hence an electric current or a conventional current do not flow in a circuit, and an electric lamp or a bulb do not glow because it is a open electric circuit. I repeat, if you observe a switch, it is in a open condition, it is in a open position, hence an electric current or a conventional current does not flow in a circuit, hence an electric lamp does not glow in a circuit because it is a completely an open electric circuit. I hope, dear students, you have understood very well. So purpose of a switch is that it makes a conducting link between the cell and the bulb. Cell and the bulb. Here, switch is in a closed position, hence a conventional current will flow entire in an electric circuit through a bulb, hence an electric bulb will glow. But here a position of a switch is completely in a open condition, hence a conventional current or an electric current does not flow in a circuit. It is completely a open electric circuit which is shown in a figure. I hope, dear students, you have understood very well. Now see here. What do you mean broken circuit? What do you mean broken circuit? So now plus minus a potential difference and electrical potential difference in terms of a cell battery voltage volts. Here switch is closed position. Here a switch is in a closed position, but an electric lamp or bulb is not glowing. Here a switch is in a closed position, but an electric lamp or an electric bulb is not glowing because in an electric circuit, a circuit is broken in a conducting path. So see here, it is a conducting path. It is a conducting path, but here middle of a conducting path, here a circuit is broken, hence an electric current or a conventional current do not make a complete continuous path from a positive terminal towards negative terminal because it is a broken circuit, hence an electric lamp or an electric bulb does not glow. See here, if the circuit is broken anywhere, the current stops flowing and the bulb does not glow. So this is an example of a broken circuit. I hope, dear students, you have understood very well. Now see here, electric circuit. Define electric circuit. What do you mean an electric circuit? A continuous and closed path of an electric current is called an electric circuit. I repeat, define electric circuit, or what do you mean an electric circuit? A continuous and closed path of an electric current is called an electric circuit. See here, plus minus potential difference plus minus potential difference in terms of voltage or volts, such as cell, battery, power supply. See here, a conventional current is flowing from positive terminal of a battery through an electric lamp in a conducting path towards a negative terminal battery. So it is a continuous closed path. Due to this, an electric bulb or an electric lamp is glowing. See here, plus minus. Plus minus, you can consider it as a cell or a combination of cells in terms of battery supply, or in terms of potential difference in terms of an electric pressure, in terms of voltage, volts. So a conventional current or an electric current is flowing from a positive terminal in a conducting path and flowing in an entire circuit and coming towards a negative terminal. Hence, flow of a current in a completely closed circuit, an electric lamp or an electric bulb will glow. See here, plus minus potential difference, direction of a conventional current or an electric current, bulb is glowing, an electric bulb is glowing. Again, direction of a current is coming towards a negative terminal. It is a completely closed path. Here see, symbol of an electric bulb. Symbol of an electric bulb. A straight line, it is known as conductor or wires. I repeat, a straight line. I repeat, a straight line indicates conductor, wires or conducting path. Plus minus, here a cell, symbol of a cell. I hope, dear students, you have understood very well.